Hi guys, first trip out since Finland. Had an amazing trip, really beautiful country, so definitely going to take Mrs. Bushwhacker back out next year when I get a 4x4. So first trip out, like I said, back in our own woodland. It's so peaceful out there, it's absolutely stunning. So today I'm come up, do a nice cooked breakfast, and I wanted to share with you guys I'm going to build a temple fire. I think it's a really useful way of, keeping fire off the ground. This is a good habit to get in, guys. You've got an axe or anything that's sheathed up, always put it in your pocket. posts are in. So I've made a square frame, just roughly lashed it, because it's not a permanent structure. And then I'm going to put some cross members across here. That's my next move. And then we'll go from there. It's looking good though, guys. Getting a bit hungry now. And I'm missing Finland, by the way. So I've put the top down now, guys. Now I'm going to get two V sticks either side. That's my next task. So it's getting there. So I've chose two sticks with V's in them. I'm just pointing them off. So that's all done now, guys. Now I'm going to dig myself a hole and cover the whole surface with subsoil, and then I can build my fire on top of that. So the beauty of this fire lay, temple fire, is just gets the fire off the ground in wet conditions, or if the ground's so dry you just can't possibly have a fire. Plus it's an awesome cooking height, so I'm just going to spark up a fire in a minute and cook me breakfast. But no, ideal for conditions like that, and it hasn't taken ages to build, so it just gives you that bit of security, you know, if you don't want a forest fire, or you just can't possibly have a fire because of the wet ground, or you might be near a stream. So yeah, give it a go, guys. I'm going to cook myself a nice breakfast, like I said. Just going to build a little bit thicker layer. I think you want about 3 or 4 inches of soil on there, because I just don't want to burn the base. And then yeah, sorted. Hey presto, fire. kettle's on, and that's the temple fire built. Brilliant, and it's a nice working height as well, so I can't wait to get the breakfast on there. Saves all that bending. I'm not missing Finland now, guys. So while I'm waiting for the kettle to boil, massive thanks to you guys. You know, you're amazing people out there. So, you know, we're all like a big community, so like-minded. So I just wanted to say massive thanks to you, double thumbs up. You know, lovely comments. You know, you're some great people out there, and thanks for all your support on that. You know, it means a great deal to me, reading all the messages. And if you were here with me now, you could help yourself to a nice brew, I'd make you one. Can't wait for this, guys. Starving now. That's cooked up lovely, guys. Enjoy this now. Starving. Mouth watering. Oh, smell that. So cheers, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy me brew now and then pack up and head back home. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the great outdoors, and hope that's made you feel hungry. Cheers, guys.